I think wing panels are an underrated part of a setup. Jordan here from Court Coasting. Welcome to another episode of the Canopy Setup series. Today we're going through wing panels and how I've put together my wing panels so you can make your own wing panels and maximize the space in your setup. I think wing panels are an underrated part of a setup. It makes use of these weird angles, weird corners, and it basically hides things underneath there, which means I've got a new set of storage areas to hide things in and keep things neat and tidy in their space. When everything's neat and tidy, staying on the road is a lot more enjoyable. Before we get straight into it, I am assuming my drawers are built and I've got a pretty solid layout of everything in its final position. If I start chopping and changing after I build my wing panels, I'm gonna have to redo them. I want this to sort of be towards the end of my build and everything has been decided layout wise, so then I'm just finalizing the cutout of my setup. The first thing I need to do is work out my shapes. So I just use some cardboard and basically create and cut a layout of the side walls of my tub. Now this can be a little bit fiddly and it's a little bit time consuming, but I just sit there with the scissors and keep trimming until I've got a pretty good feel of how this shape of the tub is. Once I'm happy with the shape I've cut out on the cardboard, then I'm going to transfer it straight to my 12mm ply and I'll cut it out with the jigsaw. Once that's all done, then we start doing a test fit. So we do a dry fit, make sure it's all fitting in there like a bit of a jigsaw puzzle, and test that it's all loosely fitting. I don't want it to be too tight, because if it's tight before we've even put paint, marine carpet, marine foam, it's going to be even tighter after that point. So I aim for around 5 to 10mm spacing between all of the panels, and that's generally enough to keep it all nice and snug, but not too tight or too loose. So there's, big gaps between everything, or it's impossible to put the pieces back together. Now the trick I found with mounting the wing panels to the setup without drilling into the tub was actually using some timber offcuts and gluing them to the side of the tub. So they're just liquid nails in, and what that does is it creates supports around the tub so that the wing panels have something to rest on. It gives them strength, so now I can really load up those side panels and not worry about them bending or bowing or falling through while I'm traveling on the road. The offcuts are painted black, they're pretty inconspicuous, and they're also mounted to the sides of the drawer. Now the control box doesn't have any supports because it's its own box, it's its own support. The wing panels sit right on top of the control box, so there's no real need there for having the supports. I did drill some finger holes into all of the wing panels. I didn't want to have to add extra weight for hardware to pull them out, so it's just a 25mm maybe finger hole, I think it was off the top of my head. Once that's all done, I go back, I pull everything out, paint it, double coats of, I think I had black, it was a water-based paint, just to prevent any moisture getting in and then rotting any of my timbers out, especially on the wet side of the canopy. I didn't want to have to replace these in a year or two. I wanted to make sure I could just have them done and they're just set and forget. So 2 coats of paint and then the marine foam on top just to finish it off, and it's pretty much done. So wait for the marine foam to cure and set to the actual timber, and then it just went all straight back in and ready to start traveling with. That is all there is really to the wing panels. A couple of tips: just keep in mind that the templating is your most time consuming part, but believe me, once it's all done, it is very, very satisfying having a well-fitting and custom curve wing panel that just is like perfectly suited for your setup. And I think it's very rewarding at the end when you look back and go, oh yeah, I did that. That wraps us up for wing panels. If you have any questions, let me know. Always happy to help. If not, I will catch you out there.